Hey yo, what is up people? This is TechSav here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the MI Note 5 Pro. Let's go.
Swag, bitch.
Alright guys, now this is the Redmi Note 5 Pro. This is actually my friend's phone who got it for his own personal use and paid rupees 14,999 for the 64 gig version with 4 GB of RAM. Now taking a look at the back of the box, we can find some basic specs. Now as you can see, it has a 5.99 inch FHD Plus display with an aspect ratio of 18:9. On the back, it has a dual lens shooter with the primary wide angle lens being 20 megapixel and the secondary telephoto lens being 5 megapixel. On the front, it has a 20 megapixel selfie shooter. It is running Snapdragon 636 processor and has a 4000 mAh battery. Now let's get this unboxed. Alright, the plastic is off the box now, so now let's get this open. But how? Oh god. Come on, come on, come on man. Finally it is coming off guys. And finally, so first off we find the phone, so let's take that out. And ooh, that red color is gorgeous. So there are a lot of stickers, so let's get rid of them. Alright, done with the last sticker, and here is the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So let's boot it up first, and just pressing and holding the power button, and that logo pops up. So let's keep the phone aside and check out the box contents. Okay, first up we have this box kind of thing, and inside I think we have a case. Next up we have the regular paperworks, a basic user manual to get you up and about, so we don't need those, so let's keep that aside. Next up we have the USB cable. Now this is a USB type A to micro USB cable, as there is no USB type C port, and this is acceptable as this is a budget phone of Xiaomi and we don't expect any USB type C port or anything like that. Keep that aside. Next we have the wall adapter or the charging adapter, whatever you say, and this is a normal charging adapter which comes in the box, and it will charge up your phone by connecting it to a power source. Now keeping that aside, we have another thing, the SIM tool at the bottom of the box, but no headphones guys. No headphones come with the Note 5 Pro, so if you have any remaining headphones of your own, you can use those. Now let's check out this box, and yes, I guessed it right, we have a clear TPU case inside it. Now let's get this out of this plastic. So as you can see, this is a clear TPU case and it is quite bendable, and it is a free case guys. It's always good to have a case with your phone to keep it protected against drops or scratches. Now talking of the phone, as you can see, the screen is quite vibrant, and on the sides, on the right hand side, you can find the volume rockers and the power button, and as you can see, the camera bump is quite large, and if you lay it on a flat surface it will topple a bit. And there is the camera module, and on the middle of the back there is your fingerprint sensor, and up top there are the antenna bands. And taking a look at the bottom of the device, you can see the regular ports and thingies like the headphone jack here, the microphone, the charging port, and the speaker grills. So this is the bottom, and on the left hand side it is quite flush with only the SIM tray. Now I will going to look at the SIM tray here and find out what SIM solutions we have in this phone. So let's just keep that inside, and the SIM tray pops out. Now here is the SIM tray, and as you can see it is a hybrid slot. You can fit one normal SIM card and a micro SD card there, or a normal SIM card and a nano SIM in there. So let's put that SIM tray inside it again and take a look at the device itself. Alright guys, the phone is set now and it is on the home screen right now. As you can see, the display is quite good in my opinion in terms of its price, and it looks quite vibrant and the colors are really accurate. The brightness goes all the way up and there is no problem in using it in direct sunlight, as you can see. And the UI is also smooth. It is running MIUI 9 on top of Android 8.0, and the user experience is quite good. The buttons are also tactile. The power button and the volume rockers, they have a nice click and a really good feel to it. Now turning back the phone, we have that amazing red color guys. I really love this red color. It looks amazing. The red is so vibrant and looks really classy. Now putting on the clear case which comes with the device itself, it does not add any bulk to it. It's pretty thin, but the device does not look that classy as it looked earlier. The color, the amazing red color, seems dull with this case on, and I think you will not like any case on this phone as the device itself looks quite cool. So this was the MI Note 5 Pro and my impressions and unboxing video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button and show some love guys, and do subscribe to my channel as I come up with new tech videos every now and then. If you want to stick with me, follow me on my socials. All the links are down in my description box. Until next time then, peace out.